talk about a little bit about the icons that you see when you're fighting, and then I'm going to talk about the special abilities that every fighter has. If you remember the last in one of my previous videos, I kind of picked several champs, and I said I was going to explain why I chose those champs. Real quickly, I'm going to show you something again. So, I'm gonna pick three champs right here, and then I'll explain to you a little bit about why I'm picking them. I take Void, I take Killmonger, and then I take Black Panther. Did you notice what happened there? You see that this buttons kind of highlight, and it tells you exactly what's happened there. I kind of I enhanced Killmonger right there. I've also enhanced Black Panther. So somehow I haven't enhanced this dude, but I'm gonna because I mean I only have three, but I'm gonna show you something really good. Now, when we start a fight, you see a few things. For example, yeah, I don't want to be disadvantaged, so I'm gonna swap the fighters right here. So now I have a Black Panther going against the Black Panther. I mean, it doesn't matter, but I just rather have Killmonger go against Black Panther. And I'm going to start, and I'm going to show you a few things. So we start the fight. Now I have my Killmonger is enhanced. You see those small icons right there? It tells you exactly now when you pause the game right in the middle of a fight. It tells you what those icons do. You know how those icons help, and sometimes these icons are very helpful. Once you see them in any color, they're usually good. However, if you see an icon in red, it's probably to your disadvantage. So you're gonna have to be very careful. I'm gonna resume. What I've done basically, pairing Killmonger with Black Panther Civil War, I kind of make him indestructible in the beginning of a fight. So even if he's hit, he's not going to take any damage. Watch what happens. I'm going to let them hit him a few times, and he's not going to take any damage. So unfortunately, while he was good, he also unfortunately took a red bleed. I told you anything red usually isn't good, and then what this means is that basically over time his energy levels are just going to be going down. It's almost over for him, but that's good. Let's see how this continues. So one of the reasons that that fight was really good for him was because he was, he's I paired him with people that actually help to improve his strategy when he's playing, and that really, for someone like Killmonger, it really enhances his play, and it's really awesome if you ever pick Killmonger with Black Panther Civil War, and sometimes you can also use I forget his name now, but I'll check it and I'll let you know. You see what we have there? We have Fury. What Fury basically means is that when you hit your opponent, your the ratings, it increases the attack rating. So basically, a punch is a lot heavier. And now you can see with my both both champs have Fury, but you can see with my black with my Black Panther, I have two Furies as against this dude who just has one. So what this means basically is I'm probably going to still have Fury while his Fury expires. I want you to check it out. Yeah, that was a tough one, but it's all good. I like Void. Now I'll tell you something about Void that makes him really great. You see, he has something called intimidating presence. What this means is that every time that clock it goes round that clock, Void kind of gives his opponent a terrible buff. Let me explain a little bit more. Notice what happens now with an intimidating presence. He's kind of given, he's kind of implemented fatigue on this dude, which means he's decreasing the chances to land a critical hit. That's giving him an advantage there. Quick fight, so I couldn't really show you a lot about some of his special abilities, but believe me, Void is a great champion. Yeah, so basically, those icons when you're playing, they're very helpful because they tell you exactly what it is that you're doing and how it is that it's happening. So always stay watching, always look out for them.